Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about how detoxing can fix your skin. So one of the most important things to remember is that skin conditions that show up on the outside, like pimples and acne, and even eczema and psoriasis, begin deep inside the body. They only show up at the surface once the internal system has reached critical mass, and the system, in trying to purge the waste through, pushes it out through the skin. By detoxifying, you're actually going to be removing that which is causing the skin eruptions to begin with. Most skin conditions originate from an overwhelmed bowel and from too much yeast in the system. Stress can be a huge contributor to skin issues, especially eczema and psoriasis. The skin is a living, breathing organ. It's your largest organ, and it's the second largest eliminative organ. The colon is the largest eliminative organ. So when the colon becomes overburdened, it pushes off everything that it can't handle after that point into the skin. The other thing to remember is that the lymphatic system is one of the big waste management systems of the body. And so when the lymph is overburdened because the colon is overburdened, that's also going to show up in skin issues. When you detox, you're not only removing the waste matter inside the body, but you're removing the pathogens that are associated and connected with it. These pathogens are often a major contributor to skin issues. So as they are removed from the body along with the waste, you'll also see these skin issues resolve themselves.